Napoleon owns the Eiffel Tower. Wellington comes along and adversely possesses it for 4 years. Then Charles comes along, boots Wellington off the premises, and adversely possesses it for 6 years. After these 6 years, Charles claims title by adverse possession. If the statutory period is 10 years, does Charles have title? No. Charles will have to adversely possess the Eiffel Tower for another 4 years to gain title via adverse possession. In order for successive trespassers to tack periods of adverse possession, the transfer of possession must not only be continuous, but must be made voluntary, meaning there must be privity of estate. In our example, Wellington and Charles were not in privity of estate because Charles booted Wellington off the property. Therefore, they cannot tack their periods of adverse possession, and Charles will not gain title to the Eiffel Tower until he possesses it for the entire 10-year statutory period.